Hi everyone, this is the first in a series of 5 videos where we're going to look at the topic of volume. In this first video we're going to look at units of volume. So let's begin with the definition. Volume is a measure of the space in a three-dimensional object. So looking at this object here, it has a volume of 3 units by 4 units by 4 units, which is 48 units cubed. Now the standard unit of volume is the cubic metre. And we give it the symbol m cubed, but we also use millimeters cubed, centimeters cubed, and even kilometers cubed. Let's review conversions. When we convert centimeters to millimeters, we multiply by 10. So for example, 2.5 centimeters is 25 millimeters. Now when we convert units of area, we have to do the conversion twice, once for each dimension. Units of area are two-dimensional. So if we want to do 2.5 centimeters squared, then we're going to multiply by 10 for the length and also multiply by 10 for the breadth. So we get 2.5 times 10 times 10 millimeters squared. We could also write it like this, 2.5 times 10 squared. And so that gives us 250 millimeters squared. Now when we convert units of volume, we have to do the conversion 3 times. Once for each dimension, so once for length, once for breadth, and once for height. So 2.5 centimeters cubed will be 2.5 times 10 cubed millimeters cubed. And working this out here, that gives us 2,500 millimeters cubed. Let's have a look at a couple conversions. 9 centimeters cubed is how many millimeters cubed? Well, converting centimeters to millimeters, I multiply by 10. I have to do that conversion 3 times. So it's going to be 9 times 10 cubed, which is 9,000 millimeters cubed. Let's try another one. 40,000 centimeters cubed into meters cubed. Now this time I'm going from smaller units into larger ones, so I want to divide. How many centimeters are there in a meter? 100. So I want to do 40,000 divided by 100 cubed. Have a look and make sure that that makes sense to you. Putting that in the calculator, I get 0.04 meters cubed. And one more, 0.2 kilometers cubed into meters cubed. So we're going from larger units into smaller units, so I need to multiply. How many meters in a kilometer? 1,000. So I'm going to do 0.2 times 1,000 cubed. This is going to end up quite a large number. In the calculator we get 200 million meters cubed. Now whilst volume is the amount of space an object takes up, capacity refers to how much substance the object can hold. And the standard unit of capacity is the litre. We give it the symbol capital L. But we also use milliliters, there's 1,000 mils in a litre, kiloliters, which is 1,000 litres, and megaliters, which is 1,000,000 litres. Now we can convert between volume and capacity, and there are 2 conversions that you need to memorize. Here's the first one. 1 centimetre cubed is equal to 1 mil. The way to remember it is, remember those little centre cubes you played with in primary school? If you hollowed one of those out, it would hold 1 mil of water. And the other conversion is 1 metre cubed is equal to 1 kilolitre, or 1,000 litres. This is a kilolitre here. Can you see it is 1 metre by 1 metre by 1 metre. It would hold 1,000 litres of water inside there. So let's look at some easy conversions. 4.3 kilolitres into metres cubed. Well, 1 metre cubed is a kilolitre, so that's going to be 4.3 metres cubed. What about 25 centimetres cubed into mils? 1 centimetre cubed is a milliliter, so that's 25 milliliters. Here's a couple more conversions, but they require 2 steps. 12 litres into centimetres cubed. So let's think about the conversion that we know. We know 1 centimetre cubed is 1 milliliter. So firstly we're going to have to convert litres into milliliters. So I'm going to multiply by 1,000. Now I can convert into centimetres cubed. So it's going to equal 12,000 centimetres cubed. Here's another one. 5 metres cubed into litres. The conversion we know is that 1 metre cubed is 1 kilolitre. So let's convert this into kilolitres first, and then we're going to convert into litres by timesing by 1,000. So there we have it. 5 metres cubed is 5,000 litres. So let's finish off with a practical example. A swimming pool has a volume of 120 metres cubed. What is its capacity in litres? So remember, 1 metre cubed is a kilolitre. So let's do that conversion first. So it's going to be 120 kilolitres. There are 1,000 litres in a kilolitre, so we multiply by 1,000. So its capacity is 120,000 litres. The pool is filled at a rate of 64 litres per minute. How long will it take to fill? So we want to know how many 64s go into 120,000. That's a division question. So 120,000 divided by 64 is 1,875 minutes. Let's divide by 60 and convert that to hours. So it's 31.25 hours. Okay, that's the end of this lesson, short and sweet. In our next lesson, we're going to look at the volume of prisms.